Hello, Calgary Catholic. Brian Zoomless, your Chief Superintendent here. Today I'm at St. Mary's High School on the banks of the Elbow River. I'm joined by student in grade 12, Claire.
Yes.
And Claire, right behind us, it's flood season, folks. And back in 2012, St. Mary's High School was devastated by the floods that happened here in Calgary. But since then, we've worked hard to build flood mitigation, high walls to protect the school. And this is an amazing school that we're so proud of. And Claire, you attend this school.
Yes.
You're also part of Student Voices.
Yes.
Tell me a little bit about Student Voices. What's that all about?
We are the, I want to say, advisory committee for our superintendent and our board of trustees. But mostly we get together and we talk a lot about how our schools look and how our trustee priorities and our board priorities get incorporated. So we do a lot of talking about wellness and student success and Indigenous studies and religious education and how they all kind of incorporate in our schools and how that works. And then we talk to you and our board of trustees. And we do a lot of complaining, if I'm being honest. And then we do a lot of problem solving. So we talk about what works, what doesn't work, what calls us to action, what we love about CSSD. And then we also talk about kind of the fundamental principle of creating Calgary Catholic together, because it's you, but it's also us, and it's all of our teachers together.
And I so appreciate the feedback that you, the students, provide to the board and to myself. And so, folks, we have representative students from each of our high schools that come together under Holly Sheely, our Director of Arts and Culture. They meet about 4 or 5 times a year,
Yep.
provide that feedback. And you've been part of that group for the last 3 years. You provided amazing feedback.
Thank you.
I thank you for all of that. And as you graduate, yesterday St. Mary's High School had their graduation.
Yes.
You are their valedictorian.
I am, yeah.
Tell me a little bit about your speech and what was your main message that you shared yesterday?
My speech was written as the Beatitudes. So I wrote it as if it was like a St. Mary's take on the Beatitudes. So for each Beatitude, I guess, there was a group that I mentioned. So the peacemakers were administrators. Those called to vocation were our teachers. They had mercy. Our children of God were our people in our community. And I talked a lot about, I tried to incorporate each person because I know that you don't go to school alone, obviously. And also there's people with small voices that you don't obviously recognize all the time. We rarely clap for our office assistants. So I wanted to kind of congratulate everybody. And I also talk about how it's obviously in a faith tone, but it's very subtle, and that's kind of how I am with my faith, very grounded, and I was trying to extend that towards my fellow students, but also be like, yeah, congratulations, we are St. Mary's, we are the saints, and here's kind of celebrating everybody.
We're so proud of you. I'm so grateful. Sounds like an amazing speech.
Thank you.
You represent St. Mary's High School as just one of our many high schools, but I think you're a great example of what it looks like when the best happens in Calgary Catholic. Our vision, folks, is that every student in Calgary Catholic to know God and to realize their full potential. And I think you're a model student to showcase that. And I wish you all the best. I understand that you're off to University of Alberta.
I am.
And you're going to get your bachelor degree in science. And you have a real passion for dresses, for clothing and the clothing industry and supply chains.
Yes.
And so I wish you all the best. Congratulations to all of our graduates. Thank you to the parents who have supported our graduates. Thank you to all of our staff, of course, because it takes a village to raise these students, and we're so proud of each and every one of them. God bless, and have a great end of the school year. Peace.